Getting a ServiceNow developer instance allows developers to build and test custom applications and integrations without impacting production environments. Here's how to get a ServiceNow developer instance. Visit ServiceNow developer website. Go to the ServiceNow developer website using a web browser. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button to initiate the registration process. Provide information. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your name, email address, organization details, and any other required information. Agree to terms. Review and agree to the ServiceNow Developer Program terms and conditions. Submit request. Submit your request for a developer instance by completing the registration process. Confirmation email. ServiceNow will send the confirmation email to the email address provided during registration. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account and confirm your request. Access developer instance. Once your request is approved, ServiceNow will provision a developer instance for you. You will receive login credentials and access instructions via email. Start developing. Use the provided developer instance to build, test, and innovate with ServiceNow's platform capabilities, APIs, and development tools.